What is up, YouTube? Soldier J back with another video, and today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I do have another unboxing by the Supermade. As y'all don't know, I've done a couple of videos in the past with them as well, and they sent me another package yesterday, so it's only right that we get to it today. So if y'all are new, y'all make sure to like the video, subscribe. If y'all are new, yeah, we got a whole lot of different stuff coming for y'all as well too. I'm back on YouTube, you know, focus on this this unboxing and stuff like that. And yeah, they sent me 3 different packages. We about to go ahead and unbox it. I do not know what it is, so we about to just go ahead and see what happened, what they sent me. And yeah, like the video, subscribe if y'all are new, and let's go ahead and hop straight into this unboxing. So if y'all don't know, we about to go ahead. If y'all don't know, I do wear sizes large. So for any brand that do want to send me something in a size large, you know what I'm saying, just, you know, hit my email. Everything should be down in the description down below. So boom, as y'all can see, this is a long sleeve. So as y'all do not know, we are in the month of January. If y'all don't know, a lot of people are experiencing, you know, severe weather conditions. So I send my condolences and you know, all of my prayers out to everybody and their families. And for anybody that may be injured or hurt, but you know, for the people that, you know, are going through those times right now, I just hope that everybody, you know, stay safe, stay positive, and just have the courage and faith through God. You know what I mean? So first brand, or not first brand, but literally the first piece that we do have is literally, it says, y'all know I never know how to pronounce the damn stuff, but it's a Pink Floyd, as y'all can see. If y'all don't know what Pink Floyd is, do your research. But that's what I'm saying. This is a long sleeve tee. We go camo on the sleeves as well. So this is a different piece. I've never had a piece like this before. Very distressed. It got, you know, little holes and stuff inside of the shirt, and it's a long sleeve with a thick collar tee. As y'all don't know, I mess with this brand Supermade so much just because of the fact that they send me all my pieces that I have are literally thick collar t-shirts. So for any brand that do make stuff, I feel like now we're in a stage where like a lot of people are making thick collars, you know, around the collar, not like tight, but like, you know, thick collar t-shirts, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I don't like wearing, you know, certain t-shirts that like, say if I go, you feel me, take my shirt off or whatnot and my collar stretch. Like right now I got on a Superman shirt too though. You feel me? Not the sweater, but you feel me, the shirt that they had sent me. You feel what I'm saying? So boom, as y'all can see, this is what the tag looks like. Y'all probably not gonna be able to. But that is basically the first piece. Mind you, I am going to showcase every single piece, but this is the piece as y'all can see. You feel what I'm saying? And yeah, it's not a bad piece. I actually mess with this piece, and I do plan on wearing it soon. So I appreciate y'all for this first piece. Let's hop into the next piece. All right, so boom, next piece we do have the 1-of-1 black rhinestone jeans. Now these are wide leg, as y'all can see, and they also like they're bro, they got rhinestone. They probably shining, but y'all can't see the entire pant leg, the entire back piece. Everything is rhinestone. So it's now only a matter of fact to see what I can really piece this with. And if I'm literally scraping, as I'm scraping the rhinestone, they don't come off. You see what I'm saying? So as y'all literally can see, this is what the, you know, the pants look like and everything like that. You know, you're gonna have to put a belt on. But this is a very thicker piece. Y'all know I like my little baggy fit. So I'm about to go ahead and see what I can put together as far as a fit for it. When I do showcases out here, it's literally just gonna be what I wear on, and this is gonna see what it looks like on body. But we about to go ahead and see where we can make this work. I do get this piece a smooth 9 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, the rhinestones are just hitting different in the sun. I might not be able to see it, but if y'all can see it on this camera, or y'all can see it in person, bro. If y'all see it in person, it just looks way better. You feel what I'm saying? So without further ado, this is the third piece. I do give it a 9 out of 10. You feel what I'm saying? The first piece, I give it, to be honest, it's a different style. So for the creativity and a different style, I definitely give that an 8.5 out of 10. And we about to go see what this third piece talking about. You feel what I'm saying? We about to go see what the third piece talking about. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop straight into the third piece. Let's do it. As y'all can see, we do have some denim, but this is like patchwork denim. Like, I don't think I have any denim that look like this, bro. As y'all can see, you feel what I'm saying? These are the patchwork, you know what I'm saying? These are the patchwork denim jeans. And they come with a tag piece on it. You feel what I'm saying? They come with a tag piece on it. Can't go too wrong with it. As y'all can see, like I just said before, they got all the tags and stuff like that. But as far as like in my collection of jeans, bro, because y'all know, like, for the people that genuinely watch me over the, you know, over the years and stuff like that, when I do fashion and streetwear videos, my jeans collection, bro, is like different. Like these are not, mind you, I do streetwear. I don't do designer. I wear designer stuff like that. But like when it comes to streetwear jeans and it comes to denim gang and it comes to these pants, my pants collections, bro, is definitely different. Like pants is just my favorite pieces of clothing because it just comes down from everything that you can, patchwork on it. You can distress on it. You can do a lot of things. If y'all do know, I used to distress jeans back in the day, and you feel what I'm saying, stuff like that. So yeah, it comes with a whole lot of different type of things. It comes with, let me bring the mic closer. It comes with, you feel what I'm saying, dog chain, or dog tag, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? And then the patchwork. Look at the patchwork on the jeans, as y'all can see. The patchwork on the jeans are just different. You feel what I'm saying? So these are the overall view of everything as y'all can see. You feel what I'm saying? And now, these are what they look like. You feel what I'm saying? So if y'all want, y'all can really go copy y'all a piece. You feel what I'm saying? It's 3 different pieces. 2 of them are denim jeans. You feel what I'm saying? Pants, and 1 of them are tops. I could really put on the camo with it. You feel me? Low key, like on some real life chill vibes, you know what I'm saying, streetwear look. So this is the Supermade. I will put all of their descriptions down below, and if you guys want to pick up a piece as well that you may have seen or liked in this video, I will drop those down in the description as well, down for y'all as well too. You feel what I'm saying? But I am glad to be the first video that I have not dropped, because the last video I dropped was regarding, my car and everything like that. So I want to, before we end this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and watch all the ads before I do. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all know the rest. And let's go ahead and let me go ahead and talk about my car. Don't worry, I am going to show y'all the unboxing or the, everything as well too. But regarding my car, I did get the bumper. I did get the headlights yesterday. I just had something delivered today. We got the front look coming as well too. We have the side markers coming. We have the mirror caps that are coming as well too. I'm gonna change the mirror caps to like an M Sport mirror cap, and then I'm gonna get the new spoiler, the new wing in the back. Now I do have a wing on the back already, but I just seen somebody with a duck style lip, and it looked low-key like it's leaning, like it's like, it just looked like it's too, like if it fits the style of the car, it'll fit. Like you'll know if it fit, but if it don't fit the style, you might as well take it out and get something a little bit smaller. But hey, I'm not gonna lie, the Nora is going to look very much different. It's going to look great. I just can't wait. I think by the February 1st is when I'm going to get it done. I do have some stuff, coming in on February 3rd, but that's just like different cosmetics, so that's not like really repair stuff. So I could really, when I find a date to go hit up the mechanic, I might go February 1st, depending on what day that is. I'm trying to hit a day that's, because they're closed on Saturday, but they're open on Monday, and I like usually getting my car done on Monday or whatnot. But, I got, school and stuff like that, so I'm just going to find a day where it's, convenient for me, and I'm going to definitely vlog that for y'all. But I do appreciate y'all sticking through. People that are like binge watching, there's people, I've checked my analytics, and I'm pretty sure people are like watching my videos still, so I do appreciate y'all. There'll be times where I do take maybe 2 weeks, a week, some days to not drop, 3 weeks, bro, but like there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that mentally, I'm trying to work on myself as a person individually, because I feel as though working on yourself better is it's just, it's a plus. And I do have a hear me out video coming soon, so that's going to talk about everything from start to finish. And this is going to be just myself, this is going to be a new journey for me. So, be better as a person, work better as a person, and just to get through the things that I know God has instilled for me. So without further ado, I appreciate y'all always. Thank you for watching this video. This is Solo J. Have a good day, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Like prime, I'm tryna stun on niggas. Bitch finna fuck my man, so I went and fucked her moms. Put a new kid on the coupe, now shit transgender. Swear